Those of you who attended here without pen and paper, you gotta go get your pen and paper, invest in some pen and paper and write. Or you can, like some here are doing on their laptop taking notes, or even on their phone taking notes. Whatever method you use, you should document down your knowledge. You should try your best, even possibly to type verbatim. And that's your backup. That's your backup. Jotting down notes on your laptop is great. One time I was in California, in North Carolina, and a brother was on his phone. So back then I was just recently getting into the technology a few months ago, and I sort of scolded him for using the text. And he showed me after the lecture, he came respectfully to me, showed me his phone. He said, "Look, Sheikh, this was all the notes from your lecture." And I said, "Subhanallah," because back then I didn't know they also use phones to take notes. So one needs to write down his knowledge. When I was 7 years old, an Iraqi student with my father, I was in Medina, my father was a student. He's from Samarra, rahmatullah alayhi. He got killed in 1980 in Iraq. He came to me, told me, "Your father's a lion. Your father, in class, he writes every single word down." And then I used to notice my father in the haram, in his classes outside the university where I seen him, he would write everything down and always have an audio record every single lecture. And we still have the tapes till today. So I took it upon myself to do the same. I never ever sat before a sheikh where I did not write every single thing he says. There's some exceptional things you don't write, or that you missed, but I tried my best to write verbatim everything. And in fact, I always refer to my notes that I took from shuyukh. Writing is the trend of the Salaf. Abdullah ibn Umar said he used to write the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ until Quraysh deterred him from that. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, "Proceed and write." The Prophet ﷺ encouraged him to write the hadith. In Sunan al-Darimi, an Muawiyah ibn Qurra ibn Abi Iyas, he said, "كان يقال من لم," look at this, "من لم يكتب علمه لم يعد علمه شيئا." If you don't write knowledge, your knowledge is not considered nothing. Those who don't write knowledge, their knowledge is not considered nothing. They may have possibly meant hadith, but even if they did mean that, it still applies to this kind of study that we are doing today. Sa'id ibn Jubair used to write what he narrated, he used to write what he hears in sand. If he doesn't have nothing, write it down. And when daylight breaks down or he finds something to write it down, he goes and writes it down. And similar things about writing is narrated by Al-Mawardi, by Al-Khalil ibn Ahmad, and by Mahbud and others. They either documented or encouraged knowledge to be documented.